Sa mga susunod na oras, posibleng maging bagyo na ang binabantayang low pressure area, LPA, malapit sa Cagayan. Huling namataan ng PAGASA ang nasabing low pressure area sa layong 230 km silangan ng Tuguegarao, Cagayan. Kung sakaling maging bagyo, tatawagan yan na bagyong Bising. Apektado ng nasabing low pressure area na magpapaulan sa Ilocos Region, Cordillera, Cagayan Valley Region, Aurora at Nueva Ecija. Uulanin din ang ilang bahagi ng bansa kasama ang Metro Manila dahil naman sa hanging habagat na umiiral ngayon sa kanlurang bahagi ng bansa. Base sa rainfall forecast ng Metro Weather sa susunod na oras posible ang heavy to intense rains na maaring magdulot ng biglaang pagbaha o landslide. Samantala lumakas naman ang tropical depression o mahinang bagyo ang namataang bagyo sa layong 2,680 km east-northeast ng extreme northern Luzon. Sa ngayon dito inaasahan papasok ng Philippine Area of Responsibility at wala itong epekto sa ating bansa ngayong araw ng Miyerkules. Visayas Thunderstorm Advisory, July 2, 2025. Moderate to heavy rain showers with lightning and strong winds are expected over Occidental Mindoro, Palawan, and Palawan, Agutaya, within the next 1 to 2 hours. The above conditions are being experienced in Occidental Mindoro, Lubang, Palawan, Busuanga and Coron, which may persist within 1 to 2 hours and may affect nearby areas. Thunderstorm Advisory, moderate to heavy rain showers with lightning and strong winds are expected over Metro Manila, Tarlac, Bulacan, Quezon and Cavite within the next 2 hours, according to PAGASA as of 8:15 a.m. Meanwhile, the said conditions are being experienced in Bataan, Morong, Zambales, Olongapo, Subic, San Antonio, Botolan, Cabangan, San Marcelino, and Pampanga, Porac, which may persist within 2 hours and may affect nearby areas, the Weather Bureau added. Manatiling nakatutok sa Weather Balita para sa bago pang updates, don't forget to subscribe.